Tickets sold out? Don't lose potential attendees. With Eventin's waitlist feature, turn interested users into real attendees. By the end of this video, you'll understand how global and individual waitlists work and how to manage and convert them easily. First, go to the Tickets option inside your created event. Here, you will see a Settings button. From this settings, enable the option Enable Attendee Waitlists and click on Save Changes. After that, enable the Enable Global Capacity option. Once enabled, you will find an option called Edit Capacity. From here, you can set the total event capacity. For example, we set it to 10 and the attendee waitlist capacity to 5. Then click on Save Changes, followed by Update, and go to the preview. From here, select the ticket quantity according to the total capacity. Click on Get Tickets, fill in the billing information, and then click on Book Now. At this point, the tickets will be sold out. Now, for the 5 waitlist spots we selected, users can choose the quantity and click on Join the waiting list. On the next page, after filling in the billing information and clicking on Join the waiting list, the user will be successfully added to the waitlist. Now, if we go to Bookings and refresh the page, we can see the waitlisted users have appeared. From the 3 dots menu on the right side, clicking on Send Payment Link will send a payment link to the user's email. When the user opens the email and clicks on View Order and Pay, they will be redirected to the Complete Payment page. After clicking on Complete Payment, the user will be successfully converted from waitlist to a real attendee. To verify this, go back to Bookings, refresh, and you will see the status marked as completed. This was our global waitlist feature. Now let's move on to the individual ticket feature. First, I created a new event by adding basic information. Then I went to the Tickets section, added 2 tickets using the Add Tickets option, selected ticket quantities, and finally clicked on Publish. Now, to add waitlists, again go to Settings and enable the Enable Attendee Waitlists option. Then click on Save Changes. Now, in the individual ticket field, you can add waitlist spots separately for each ticket. For example, we set 5 waitlist spots for the first ticket and clicked on Save Changes. Then we go to the second ticket and add 3 waitlist spots. So, the total waitlist capacity becomes 8 tickets. Next, click on Update from the top right and go to Preview. From here, select ticket quantities individually, click on Get Tickets, fill in billing information, and click on Book Now. Then, when you go back to the event page, you will see that waitlist spots are available. Here, users cannot select more than the available waitlist limit set for each individual ticket. So now, select the quantity, go to Join the waiting list, provide billing information, and click on Join the waiting list. Now, if we check Bookings, we will see the waitlist entries have been added. From the 3 dots menu on the right, click on Send Payment Link to send the payment link to the user's email. When the user opens the email and clicks on View Order and Pay, they will be taken to the Complete Payment page. After clicking on Complete Payment, the user will be successfully converted from waitlist to a real attendee. To verify, go to Bookings, refresh the page, and the status will show as completed. So this is our Eventin Waitlist feature, where you can manage both global and individual waitlists and easily convert interested users into real attendees.